Hey y'all, so welcome back to our channel. Today I have another DIY for you guys. I love this DIY. I've been wanting to do this for the longest, and finally I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I have everything I need now to complete my DIY, and here we go. I'm gonna do a mason jar solar light. Everything is from Dollar Tree. These jars from Dollar Tree. I know you guys have all seen these that has like the candle holder inside of them. So I have 8 of these, and then I have the actual solar lights. So solar stake light. So these were $1, and each one of the mason jars were $1. I really like these mason jars because they have the black top, and they just look different from all the other mason jars that are out there. Focus. Get no good light over here. Hold on. That's better. I turn some light on. That's okay. Duh. So I love these mason jars because they're so much different than the other mason jars that are out there. The other mason jars have words on them and stuff like that. These are more plain and more like a little classy, I guess you can say to me. So I've had these for the longest. I had them ever since last year, and I finally figured out what I want to do with them. But anywho, so I picked up 8 of these as well. I have my Gorilla Glue that I picked up, and I also picked up this 6-pack of wire set. I found this in at Dollar Tree as well for $1, which is a freaking steal. And I got this in the hardware section. Hair cutters. And I got this from Home Depot. They were 98 cents a piece. 98 cents a piece. And these are, I think it's like floral hangers or something like that, or flower hangers. So we're going to use this to be able to hang these up outside. But these are going to be spray painted black because we don't want this green. What is this green talking about? Nothing. So we're going to spray paint these black. Oh yeah, I also wanted to say that, like, if you go on Amazon and look to see what the prices is for the other solar lights, you will definitely do this DIY because I spent $8 on all of the jars, $8 on the solar lights, $1 for a pack of wire, and then the floral sticks or whatever. These were 98 cents a piece. So in total, I spent about $24 on everything for basically an 8-pack of these lanterns. This is what a finished jar looks like. So that's the solar light right here. And then this is the wire as far as like the hanger. This is what makes it hang. So we got that. So we're going to take this empty mason jar that we have, and we're going to unscrew the top. Easy enough, simple. We're going to put that to the side. And then we're also going to pick up one of our solar lights. They're easy to screw off, or you just pull it off. It just comes right off. Take that off. We're no longer going to need these, but we may want to use them for a project. So we're going to put that to the side. Now these have like black and gray speckle. I don't want those, so these are easy to pull off as well. Take these off, put them to the side. We may want to use it for another DIY. Okay, so now we have this orange part. This is you remove this so that it shows the light. Easy to take off. Put your hand over, and now you can see the light. And you see how that solar light works. Okay. So now what we're going to do is turn this upside down. We're going to use our Gorilla Glue, and we're going to put glue all around the edge of this solar light. Very lightly. You don't need too much glue because Gorilla Glue works really good, so we don't need that much glue. Glue on. You're just gonna put this right on top, and it says to hold it for 10 to 45 seconds, so that's what we're going to do. And this just helps to bond the glue to both surfaces. And in order for it to cure fully, we're going to let it sit for 24 hours. This is really simple. So we're going to get our wire, but we're going to measure the mouth of the jar. We're going to just go ahead and put our top on and screw it on. Look at that. That's all to it. Simple and easy. Should have made my other ones this tight. I like how tight this one. Go ahead and finish up the rest of them, and then I'll show you how I got my floral stakes spray painted and how it looks as a complete deal all the way together. So